To make an eggplant from a coloring sheet, you can either draw or trace an eggplant outline and then color it in with purple and green, or use collage techniques with purple and green paper to create an eggplant. You can also explore other creative methods like finger painting or using stickers to add texture and color. Here's a more detailed breakdown of how to make an eggplant from a coloring sheet. 1. Drawing tracing. Find or create an outline. You can find printable eggplant coloring pages online or draw your own. A simple outline of an eggplant shape with a stem and perhaps a few leaves is sufficient. Coloring. Use purple and green crayons, colored pencils, markers, or paints to fill in the eggplant shape. You can blend colors for a more realistic look, especially with oil pastels. Second, collage. Cut out shapes. Use purple paper for the main body of the eggplant and green paper for the stem and leaves. Assemble. Glue the paper pieces onto your coloring sheet or another surface. Creative techniques. Finger painting. Dip your fingers in purple and green paint and apply them directly to the eggplant outline. Collage with stickers. Use purple and green stickers to fill in the eggplant shape. Crayon rubbing. Place a textured object like leaves or a coin